Welcome to my channel, Raising Hendersons. My name is Morgan and I am a stay-at-home mom. I have two children. I have a 3-year-old boy named Easton and a 3-month-old girl named Autumn. This is my first YouTube video, so bear with me. I decided to share Autumn's nursery today. We just finished it recently. She's only 3 months old and this is currently my favorite room in the house. I love how girly and soft it is and I hope you guys enjoy it. The first area I'm going to show you guys is above her dresser. I got the rattan mirror from Hobby Lobby, 50% off. I think I paid about $60 for it. I just really liked how the rattan brought in that boho vibe I was going for. And then I got the shelves from IKEA. I liked how it had the white and the natural wood look, so it tied in with that rattan mirror, and then the white would tie in with the rest of her decor. On her bottom shelf, I have the stackable wooden rainbow toy. I got that off Etsy and then I painted the wooden pieces in the shades that I liked. And then I have 3 of her sunglasses there. I'm starting her a little collection of that. And then her name signs that we used at the hospital. On the top shelf, I have my favorite bow, ultrasound picture, a toy, a sign that was gifted to us, and then her name sign from the hospital with her hospital bracelet from the major surgery she just had recently. Next is her dresser. I got that from Bye Bye Baby. It's the $1 Million Baby collection in warm white. And in the top drawer, I have all of her socks and hats in one drawer. And then in the second drawer, I have all of her bibs and burp cloths. You can never have too many bibs. This girl is a spit up queen. And in the third drawer, I have a little bit of everything. I have the camera I still have to set up, washcloths, and extra toiletries. Next in this drawer, I have all of her plain onesies. I have long sleeves on one side and all of her short sleeves on the other. And then in this drawer, I have all of her pants on one side and then her bloomers or bummies on the other side. And in this drawer is all of our sleep sacks. Autumn sleeps in these every single night and also for nap time. Our favorite brand right now is Love to Dream. We're having to wash and reuse those all the time because those seem to be Autumn's favorite. She really responds to those the best and has the best night's sleep. And lastly, in this drawer, we have all of her sleepers. I just had to do a purge because she's outgrown all of her 0 to 3 month ones. She's just getting too long and her shoulder keeps popping out of the top. So I was sad to have to pack those away, but I need to start filling this up with the next size. And this changing pad cover came from Spearmint Baby. I was scrolling on their website one day and came across that rainbow print and I thought it was perfect for her room, so I snagged it right away. And if you don't have one already, you need this Hatch sound machine. You can control it by your phone, makes it super easy. And I found this blush rolly card on Amazon. I think I only paid like $30 for it. I decided to store the diapers on it, extra wipes. I put all of her passies in a bin right there, and I just thought it was a really cute way to add some extra storage to her room. And as you can see, I am a sucker for some Ryan and Rose. Their passies and passy clips are too cute, it's too hard to resist. And I love how the cart came with those hooks, so I can hang the clips and her loveys on the side as well. And this corner piece is actually decor that was used for my baby shower. I had to bring it home because I thought it would go perfect with the room. Also bring in some more of those boho vibes. And the stand it's on was my grandma's, and I just painted it white. And I found these curtains at Target. They're the Pillow Fort brand. They're blackout curtains in warm white. I really love the scallop details on the edges of the curtains. And then these tassels I got about 2 years ago, right after Valentine's Day. They're the Opal House brand, and I think I maybe paid $2 maximum for them. And I got these 3 bookshelves from IKEA. I like the natural wood look. That would also tie in with her other shelves in the rattan mirror. And I have all of her books displayed on that. And then I scored this rocking chair from Walmart online. I got it for 50% off. I only paid about $140 for it, and I thought it would go perfect. It's neutral, and of course I got the matching blanket to go with her changing pad. And the statement piece of the room is the 2 prints above her crib. I got those on Etsy, blew them up and printed them at Staples as a poster, and then I got the poster frames from Target. And her crib is also from Bye Bye Baby in the $1 Million Baby collection in warm white. And I got her a little horse from Spearmint Baby. Her brother always sleeps with he calls it his nene. So I thought it's only right that his sister has a nene as well. And this basket is from Target. It's the Pillow Fort brand, perfect for storing all of her extra blankets. And I will try to link where I got these prints from on Etsy. The only thing I might change about this setup is I might remove that glass film or the plastic film on those posters to get rid of the glare from the lights. Moving on to the fun stuff, the closet, where all the clothes are. This girl has so many clothes, it's ridiculous, but I have no self-control when it comes to shopping. And I got these racks off Amazon. They are hat racks, and then I just bought the extra hooks, and I thought that would be a cute way to store all of her bows. That's also not an eyesore. I could tuck it away in the closet. And I have all of her clothes hung in size order all the way up to 18 months so far. And I stocked up on diapers while I was pregnant. I have always loved the Honest brand, but this time I decided to try Hello Bello as well. I have to admit that Honest is my number one still. For some reason, Hello Bello always leaks with her, and I can't figure out why. In this drawer, I have all the bloomers that go with her Lily Pulitzer outfits. And in this area, I have her monthly milestone markers and extra hooks. I also have my extra breast pump. I have only used that like 2 times because I use my LV around the clock. That thing is such a lifesaver. In this drawer, I have extra sheets and extra bassinet sheets, and then the high chair cover, some shoes, and then her toys. I have all of her 9 and 12-month-old clothes that aren't hung stored in that bin. And then all of her bathing suits. We cannot wait until summertime, let me tell you that. And then lastly, all of her 3 to 6 month clothes that I haven't moved to her drawers yet. I just had to share with you guys how cute that glowworm was. He recorded that song for her to listen to while she was in the hospital for surgery. But that is it, guys. This is her room. Thank you for tagging along with us. If you want any links to anything, just drop a comment and I will be glad to share everything and anything I can with you guys. My goal is to give you guys a new video each week. But in the meantime, until next week, please subscribe and I will see you guys soon.